Welcome to Locale at State Street, built by SummerHill Homes, located here in Fremont, California. Fremont is home to amazing companies like Tesla, Lam Research, and many large hospitals like Washington Hospital and Kaiser Permanente. This community is only 1 mile from the Fremont BART station and is walking distance to a lot of restaurants, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and Sprouts Supermarket. It is also just 1 mile away from one of the largest public parks in the area, which is Central Park. Let's go and talk about the community itself. There are 2 types of homes in this community, totaling 157 residential units. There are 76 attached row homes, which are actually all sold out right now, and there are 81 condos. Only 33 condo units remain. Prices here start at $878,000 and goes up to $1.048 million. There are flats, 2-story, and tri-level homes available, starting at 1317 square foot. The area will also include approximately 21,000 square foot of ground floor street front retail and restaurant space alongside Capitol Avenue, which is incredibly convenient for those living in this community. These homes are move-in ready, so let's go take a look inside. On the left-hand side, separate locker room access for larger packages. See on the right-hand side that you have a gym whenever the COVID situation gets better and people are able to use this private gym. And on the left-hand side is actually the walkway for the secured parking spots. So all the units that are left will have 2 parking spots available. Let's go take a look upstairs. All right, once we're here on the 3rd floor, this is where a majority of the condos and tri-level homes are at. Let's go take a look. You have a beautiful courtyard patio that only you guys will be able to access. So unlike many other homes that we've seen in the past, we're on the bottom level of this tri-level setup. The bottom level, as you can see, has a large open floor plan layout. So you have your dining set on the side. You have a very large expansive island here. This is a quartz countertop. You have very nice backsplashes for your kitchen. And then what I love about this community is that it has a lot of windows. So there's plenty of natural light that comes into this unit. Let's go take a look upstairs. We'll see 2 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. You'll see every single bedroom has a large walk-in closet, so you're not gonna have any issues with space in this unit. Let's go take a look at the master upstairs. We are here on the 3rd and final floor. This is the master bedroom. We have 2 walk-in closets. You're gonna absolutely love this space. All right, so if you didn't like a 3-story layout, there is flats available. Let's go take a look inside. This is a nice corner unit. You're gonna see how open this floor plan is. You have 4 countertop spaces to dine. So this master bedroom is on one side of the floor plan, and there's 2 smaller bedrooms on the other side across next to the living room. Well, there you have it. These are amazing condos, perfectly situated for convenience and comfort. If you're interested in this community or any homes, reach out to me, as my contact details are below. We will go over the entire home process together. I also have a list of new construction properties all across the Bay Area on my website. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the little bell so that you get notified for any future videos. If you would like to be part of my monthly Insights newsletter, sign-up details are below. Have a better life today.